Kapag meron tayong parang experience na tinatawag natin na thorn o tinik, no, which means nagkakaroon tayo ng negative na emotion concerning a certain person in our lives. Now, maaring legitimately yung tao na yan is really intent on making our life difficult, no? Maaring yung tao na yun talaga namang has no concern for us, does not really value us, or does not really believe na, we are a person of worth. Uh, Sometimes naman, yung tao na parang iniisip natin na thorn sa buhay natin, talaga namang nagmamalasakit lang sa atin. They really are concerned about who we are becoming, and they want to offer us, help or feedback. Now, sometimes siguro hindi nila alam how to say it or how to deliver yung message sa atin in such a way na matatanggap natin ito. But what we need to understand, no, regardless kung yan ba ay taong masasabi natin tunay na parang kaaway, no, in a sense na they really don't care about us. Or maybe this is a person who truly cares for us and siguro hindi lang nila alam how to uh, communicate with us, or even kahit siguro tama naman yung pag-communicate. But it's important how we are responding to that. Mahalaga na hindi tayo parang nagre-react lang in a defensive manner, na parang mas concern agad tayo about yung ating reputation, or anong tingin sa atin ng ibang tao, or maybe it's so easy for us to be upset, to be mad, or to feel bad about ourselves, nagpipity party tayo. O di kaya parang meron tayong response na we're very sad kasi we are unable to please people or something like that. These are the kinds of responses na hindi makakatulong sa atin if we really want to grow in faith. We have to learn how to, process yung ganyang mga karanasan in a positive manner, in such a way na we would truly benefit from it, and not parang, it becomes a stumbling block sa atin. We have to learn how to respond well sa mga tinatawag nating thorns in the flesh.